Hey, Olive, you around?
Always. What's up?
I'm working on this API and could use your input. Are you on Postman?
Postman. Oh yeah, I keep hearing about that. It's an API tool.
Yes, but it's so much more than that. It's like this whole new way to build APIs. Here, give it a shot. I just shared my workspace with you. You have access to everything.
Sheesh. This is so much better than the way I've been doing it. Oh hey, the labs team wants to conduct an experiment. Can we open the solar sail as it passes over us?
Yeah, we can. We can use the propulsion API for that.
Cool.
Very cool.
مولاي صل وسلم دائما أبدا على حبيبك خير الخلق كلهم مولاي صل وسلم دائما أبدا على بك خير الخلق كلهم محمد سيد الكونين والثقلين محمد سيد الكونين والثقلين والفريقين من عرب ومن عجم مولاي صل